Hello friends, myself Pratik. In this session we are going to see the implementation of linked list in Java. Let us start this session. To implement linked list in Java, we have a class with name linked list. This class is available as a part of java.util package. This is provided as one of the utilities in Java. In order to use this class, we have to import java.util package in the beginning of our code. After importing this package, we can directly create object of this linked list class. It is important to remember that this linked list class is actually implemented internally as a doubly linked list. Here you can see that after importing our desirable package, we are creating the object of this linked list class. During creation of this object, we can specify the type of data it will contain. In this case, list1 can store only integer data, while list2 can store string data. In case of declaration of list3, we have not mentioned anything. It means that list3 is open and it can store mix of data types. Linked list class provides various methods for easy implementation of all different operations over linked list. It has a method to add a node into the linked list. It has a method to clear its content. Even we can create the copies of linked list by using clone method. We can check the presence or absence of a particular data element in the list by using contain method. We have methods to get the index value of a particular data item. Here we also have the methods to remove the elements from the list. In order to understand these methods in more detail, let's switch to Eclipse, that is one of the commonly used IDE for the implementation of Java. Here I have created few classes. The first class is linked list add. You can see that in the beginning we are importing our desirable package from util. Then we are creating the body of our class. Here we are defining a method main. In first line of code, we are creating an instance for linked list and we are specifying this as integer type. It means that list1 can store integer data values. Here we are adding 5 nodes into this linked list and then we are displaying its original content. Then I am using its various method to perform different operations. Here I am calling its method add first. This will add a node with this value as the first node. Then I am also using a method add with index value. Through this method, it will add a node with data value 15,000 at index value 3. In order to understand the functionality of these methods, let's execute this code. Here you can see that this is the content of our original linked list, which has 5 nodes. Then the content of linked list after using add first method is this. Here we have added a node at the first position with value 11,000. This is the output after executing of add 3, 15,000. 15,000 has been added at index value 3. Index start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can see that at index value 3 we have added this 15,000. In second part of code, I am explaining the use of string linked list. Here I am creating a list2 with string data type and storing 4 different nodes and then displaying its original content. So these are the original contents of list2. We are having 4 nodes with name welcome to SFA University. Then I am also adding 2 more nodes to this. So these are added in the end. So we finally have a updated linked list with 6 nodes. Here I am creating a list3 as open. It means that I can store mixed data type here. You can see first 3 nodes are of string type while 4th node is of integer type. And I am storing this and displaying all the values of this link here. Then I am also adding 2 more nodes to this linked list. One is of Boolean type and another is of character type, and you can see its content. So this clearly shows the usage of various kind of add methods available in this linked list class. We also have remove methods to remove a particular node from the linked list. We can remove a node from the beginning or from the end or from the particular position. So here again I am creating a list with name list1 and adding 5 nodes to this. These are its original content. Then I am executing a clear method. Actually this will clear all the content of the linked list. Let's execute this code to see its output. So you can see that after executing clear method, there is no node in the linked list. After this, I am again adding 4 nodes to my linked list. So these are the content of linked list after again executing add method 4 times. So these are the contents. Then I am using remove first method over this linked list, and you can clearly see that it will remove the first element from the list. So first element in the list is 100, which is removed with the remove first method. We also have a method remove where we can specify the index value of the node which we want to remove. So here I have specified the index value 1. It means that it will remove the node at index value 1, which is 300 in this case. So after executing this line of code, I will be getting 200 and 400 as the content of linked lists, which is shown here. We also have a method remove last, which will remove the last node, and in this case last node is 400. So this will be removed, and now I have only one node with value 200. So these are the remove methods which are available in this linked list class. We also have get method, which is used to get the data at a particular index value. We also have a methods with name get last and get first, which help us to get first and last node. Let's execute this code to understand its output. So here these are the contents of our original node. I am getting the data value at index value 3 because I have supplied this in method get. So third value is 0, 1, 2, 3, which is 400. So that's why we are getting 400 here. Then we have a method called as get last. This will be giving me the value of last node, and get first is giving me the value of first node. We also have the methods to check the presence of a particular data value in the list, and the method is contain. List1 contain here is checking the value 300 in the list. If the value is present, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So list1 dot contains 300 is returning true because I have 300 in my list, while list1 dot contain 900 is returning false because there is no 900 data item in this list. We can also find out the index of a particular value by using index of method. So here I am checking this for data item 300 and it is returning me 2. It means that the index of data item 300 is 2. You can see 0, 1, 2. So it's returning 2. And if the data item is not present, which I have supplied in index of method, then it will be returning -1 because this item is not present. And then it return a default value -1, which indicates the absence of this value from the list. So this is all about get method. We also have a clone method, which is used to create copy of a linked list. Here I am using a clone method over linked list 1 to create its copy in list 2. Here I have created an object list 2, and in this case I am creating list 2 as a copy of list 1 by using clone method of list 1. So list 1 clone is created and stored in list 2, and after this I am displaying the content of list 2. Let us execute this code. So you can see that here list 1 and list 2 are exactly replica of each other, and I am able to copy the content of one list to another by using clone method. So this is all about the implementation of linked list in Java. I hope that this gives you a clear idea about how to apply these methods in Java. All the code which I have used in this demonstration is available in the description of this video so that you can directly apply and test it. Thanks for watching this video.